Back in January, my friend GeneralTso challenged me to a Super Mario Odyssey race, but it wasn't any normal race. Every moon I collect in my speedrun, I must answer a math question. It sounds simple enough. However, for every wrong answer, I must go out of my way and grab another moon and try again. This ended up being a super cool but frustrating idea, but I think it ended up turning out to be a pretty cool YouTube video. With that being said, I'll hand it over to General and me from the past to give you guys some SMO math percent. Are we ready?
You can go ahead and start whenever you're ready because there is no math for Cap Kingdom because there are no moons for Cap Kingdom.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this.
Loretta Cap, we're going to head into Cascade Kingdom where we're going to be doing arithmetic. This is elementary school math. 1 attempt per question. You will have 1 minute.
Wait,
no calculator. 1
minute? Wait, I have time limits?
Trust me, if you need all of the minute to solve these problems, I'm concerned for you.
I'm so ready.
Here is your first question.
7 plus 9. Let's just say 7 plus 9 is 16.
That is correct.
All right, W. Wait, what's 60 plus 7? 6, 7! 6, 7! Sorry.
Now, in most cases, the multi-moon question is the hardest in the kingdom because it's the last moon that you collect.
Easy boss fight.
Right. And your question.
Oh, shoot. 31 minus 16. Oh, that's just 15.
Is correct.
You had me thinking there for a minute. So the way I figured that problem out was I was like, all right, so 30 minus 15 is 15. So 31 minus 16's got to be 15 as well. You're just adding 1 to each number.
The fact that you're walking through how you solve 31 minus 16 concerns me for some of the later kingdoms, but...
I'm not gonna lie, that question kind of scared me. 31 minus 16.
Well, this is your next question, and the final question for Cascade Kingdom.
7.
That is correct.
Let's go!
But
I only have 1 minute for
Cascade
PEMDAS though. That's a problem.
1 attempt per question in 1 minute. Solve the problems.
That is not a problem. No. The 1 minute for PEMDAS is a problem.
It shouldn't be. All right. Here is your first question.
18
is correct.
Let's go, baby.
Do not collect that moon. Here is your second question.
Good Mario just looking at that moon. He's just looking at the moon. Oh shoot.
So I would
so 10.
That is correct.
Let's go, baby. We're on a roll right now. 5 for 5. So let's get the bird now.
You can spawn the moon, but do not collect it.
All right, moon is spawned.
Here is your next question.
Oh, that's okay. So we've got so that's gonna be 14 divided by 10, which is. Can I give you the answer in fraction form or is it in decimal form?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay, 14 over 10.
That is incorrect. I'm gonna have to ask you to get another moon.
What? How is that wrong? In what way? 14.
You're gonna need to remember your order of operations.
Yes, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, add, and subtract. Oh!
The order that you did it in?
No. Oh, dude, no. I'm so stupid.
Well, now that your moon is ready, if you want to go ahead and give it another attempt.
Divided by 7 is 2 plus 3 is 5.
Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
That is correct.
Let's go. Grab the moon.
Before you collect that moon, here is question number 4 for Sand Kingdom.
24 divided by 8 is 3.
That is correct.
Beautiful job. I'm 6 of 7.
I wouldn't be bragging about the fact that you've already missed a question and we're on PEMDAS.
It's gonna be a long day. No, I grabbed the moon already.
It's not that big of a deal, but
I'm a cheater. Oh shoot. So that's 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 8 plus 4 is 12.
That is correct.
Boom, money.
All right, here's your next question.
9 times 4 is 36, plus 3 is 39.
That is correct.
Man, I'm on a roll.
Okay,
oh yeah.
Just collect the moon.
I just collected the moon. So that's 8, 16, 4.
What's your answer?
That's my answer, 4.
That's correct.
Man, I am on a roll. I can't be stopped right now. And then we grab this moon and get that moon ready.
Here's your next question.
What? Is it 16?
That is correct.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm on it. I'm on it right now. I can't be stopped. Okay.
Here's your next question. Question 9 of Sand Kingdom.
8. 8 is my answer.
That is incorrect. I'm gonna have to ask you to get another moon. Please keep in consideration your order of operations. No,
Which is 25.
it's not correct. I'm gonna have to ask you to get another moon.
What the fuck, dude? I'm opening up. I'm opening up some paint.
But okay.
I'm opening up paint right now. Holy shit. Okay, so we need to find another moon. Let's just go over here. It's really nice to see you, Mr. Sphinx. Oh no. All right, so the same question equals 19. 19 is my final answer.
Rob, that is incorrect.
I don't understand. What do you mean that's incorrect?
Rob, I'm gonna give you a little bit of help here. What is 6 divided by 3?
Oh my god, dude. I can't. Is this how today's gonna go? How many extra more moons do I need to get? 2 more now?
What do you have this time?
18 minus 2 plus 4. 16 plus 4 equals 20.
Good job.
Oh my
Get your next
goodness.
moon ready.
I can't believe I had to open up paint already.
Here's your next question.
Oh shoot, we're opening up paint again. Yeah, so then it would just be 18.
That is correct.
Boom, baby! We're back on the roll. We're back on a roll. We're back on it. All right, I'm right next to another moon.
Here's your next question.
Plus 3, which would then just equal 11. Question 11,
Correct.
the answer is 11. Let's go.
You gotta stop getting the moon before you solve
Oh,
the
yeah,
problem.
true.
Here's question 12.
I'm just in that speedrunner mindset, you know? It just flows through me. Plus 1, which is just 9.
Is correct.
Boom, baby! We're rocking and we're rolling. Here we go. Oh wait, can't forget this moon.
All right. Are you ready?
I've never been more ready for my next question. Some say
Question
I was
13.
born ready. All right. Why are these just getting so much longer?
The only way to make PEMDAS harder is to make it longer.
8 divided by 4 is 2, so the answer is 4.
That is correct.
Let's go! This is the most brain power he's used in his life. That's not true. That's not true. I'm answering these pretty fast, and like, you know, I'm pretty good at math.
All right. Here's question 14.
You know, when they ask, you know, who's got a big brain, they say Rob does. So 24
really think
divided by
that's true.
3. I think that's right. Is my answer 36?
Took you a while, but yes, your answer
Holy
is 36.
shit, dude. Oh my god. That took so long. That took so long to figure out. I kept making freaking mistakes. Oh my goodness.
Here's question number 15.
Oh no. The answer 19.
That is correct.
Boom!
You do have to go get another one, so.
One more
I think
moon. No, wait, no, let's just do this. Let's do slots. I'm a gambling man. Let's get it set up. All right.
Okay. Here is your final question for Sand Kingdom.
Here we go. -2 is the final answer.
Good job.
Let's go! Let's go! We're making it out of sand, everybody. It took me 40 minutes to get through 2 kingdoms. Oh my goodness.
All right. Moving on to Lake Kingdom, we will be doing fractions, decimals, and percentages.
Yay. I'm just gonna go over here.
All right.
There's moon number 1 already.
Here is your first question of Lake Kingdom.
Convert to decimal 7/4. I'm doing this so wrong. I know I am. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Oh my god, dude.
You can go ahead and try again. You're not supposed to get the moon, but whatever.
It's 1.75. Holy shit. Bro, I need help. I need help. Next question.
Okay. Convert this to a percentage.
That's 60%.
Good boy.
Let's go. Ready for my next moon. Okay, so the answer is 72/100.
That's correct.
Look at me. I'm moving. You just need to stop and use some logic. Me and On logic? Oh, you're funny.
Here is your next question.
Final answer must be 12 over 5.
Go get another moon, dumbass.
What? There is no way.
You just try to tell me that 4 plus 3 is 12?
Because my fucking handwriting, that looks like an 8, bro. Oh, my own handwriting is gonna be the fucking death of me, dude. See you next week? No.
Try again.
The answer is 7 over 5.
Here we go. Okay, don't finish the dialogue. Okay, we're good. Here is your 5th question.
What is 30% of 80? I'm gonna give you an answer. Is it 15?
No. Please go get another moon.
Dude, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it, dude.
Your thought process is like giving me hemorrhoids.
I don't know how to solve this. I don't remember how to solve these problems. Oh, I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked.
Please attempt this question again.
Okay, here we go. My guess is 27.6%. What? I'm gonna run out of moons and lake, bro.
No, you're not, bro.
Oh, I gave you a percentage. No.
Get another moon, dude.
Oh, it was the stress. It was the stress of dealing with the time, and I rushed the problem. But I was figuring what I was doing was the right way to figure out the problem, for sure.
You can go ahead and give this another attempt if you desire.
30%
Like 20 seconds.
is 25.6.
Go get another.
What the fuck, dude? Bro needs to go back to clue finders or something? What? I may be bad at math, but I'm not that bad at math. How does one find percentages with decimals? Dude, we're an hour into this and I'm only in late. I'm ready to solve again.
Go.
Can you give me a little hint on how to solve this problem?
So, Rob, if you were asked to find 50% of 80, what do you do?
Oh, I just divide by 2.
What is the equivalent of dividing by 2 in multiplication?
Oh, like 0.5? Holy shit, dude. So is my final answer 24? Let's go! Let's go! Chat, you see that?
All you have to do is multiply 8 by 3. Here's your final question. This is a bit of a word problem. A jacket is originally priced at $80. It is discounted by 25%, and then a sales tax of 8% is applied to the discounted price. What is the final price of the jacket?
Well, our total ends up coming out to be $48 even.
The fact that in your brain that could even be the correct answer hurts me. Please go get another moon.
What?
In what realm does sales tax take money off the total? If the jacket was $60, how does it end up being $48 after the sales tax is applied?
Bro, it's just queso but skinny. What does that even mean? Is queso like stupid? So it's gonna be $72.
No?
No? Dude. There's actually something wrong with me.
This is gonna make a banger YouTube video.
Guys, I promise, I will get out of late.
He's already 6 moons over the required total to leave.
So let's go back to the drawing board here. We should be able to get our correct answer, which is $64.80 for the jacket.
You are done with Lake Kingdom.
Let's go!
Only an hour and 10 minutes. All right, now that we're moving to Wooded Kingdom, and Wooded we'll be doing pre-algebra.
Yay!
But still 1 attempt per question and no calculator.
On to Wooded.
How you feeling?
4 kingdoms down, 10 more to go. And you know, there's 1 kingdom where we don't even have to get a moon, and that's the kingdom after this. But there's 18 questions in this one, so I'm a little worried that we'll be here for like longer than I was for sand. All right, I'm ready for my first question.
Solve for x.
So if x plus 7 equals 15, x equals 8.
Good job.
Let's freaking go. All right, next question. 5x equals 30. X equals 6.
Congrats.
We're breezing through this. This is already faster paced than late. All right, give me my next question.
Here's your next question. Solve for x.
X minus 9 equals -2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 9. X equals 7.
That is correct.
Ooh! Ooh! Look at me go! Look at me go! We're moving. We're rocking and rolling through this wooded.
Your next question. Solve for x.
X equals 5.
Good job.
Boom! 4 moons, 4 questions.
I'm just gonna be really embarrassing if you get through pre-algebra without a mistake, but you spend like an hour in Lake Kingdom.
I didn't spend an hour in Lake Kingdom. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, next
Here's the
question.
next question.
2x minus 7 equals 9. And x equals 8.
There you go.
Next
Here's the
question. X divided by 4 equals 6. X equals 24.
Good job.
Boom.
I don't know why you needed to write that one down.
I don't
but,
really know why I needed to write that one down either, but I did. Next question. So 2/3 of x equals 10. Does x equal 6.66?
Rob, that is incorrect.
Oh, I should have just done the math instead of just thinking about it in my head. Oh, I collected that moon. But yeah, let's re-answer the question. X is equal to 15.
There you go, buddy.
Let's go. Okay. All right, next question. And we get 2x is now equal to 12. And then now simple division, we get x equals 6. And we're rocking and rolling.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we're flying by wooded. I don't know what it was with me and decimals and percentages that I couldn't do, but apparently that's harder than pre-algebra. Next question, please. We've got x over 5 plus 2 equals 6. And then x is then just equal to 20.
Good job.
Boom! I'm that guy. What can I say? So I do need to grab one extra moon, which I can't exactly do over here. So I have an idea. Oh, I grabbed a moon, but next question, please.
What's your next question?
2x, x is equal to -2.
Do you have brain damage?
No.
Please go get another moon.
How is that wrong?
You said -2?
Yes, -4 divided by 2 is -2.
Plug -2 into that equation and tell me what you get.
What? What do you mean -2? Why am I being blamed for -2? That makes so much sense in my brain. What is wrong
Plug
with it?
-2 in for x. -2 minus 5 is 7 times 2 is -14.
What? I'm gonna figure this out once I get it. Are you serious? I'm being flamed. I can't. Oh no. Figuring this out. I'm not being flamed anymore. It's time to lock in. Where am I doing this wrong? I don't understand. Oh, chat, never mind. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. That's my final answer. X equals 12.
Thank you.
I'm ready for my next moon.
Problem.
And x is equal to 3.
Good job.
Let's go. All right, so we have 2 more questions to solve for, even though I am at the right moon count. It is a serious problem. You can't read your own handwriting. I promise I have much better handwriting when I'm not using a computer mouse. Let's just go into flooded pipes, grab these 2 moons, and not get any other questions wrong. All right, next question.
Here you go, bud.
X is equal to 12. That's my final answer.
Wanna know what my final answer is?
What is it? Is it 12?
Let's go get another moon.
That's not possible. That's literally not possible. X equals 10?
Go, buddy.
All right. Heck yeah. Woo, 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 woo.
Still got 2 more questions to answer this kingdom, bud.
So we're gonna grab this moon and I'm gonna get this question right. And then we're on to fight Mr. Spewer himself. Hit me with the question, Mr. Question Man. My final answer is going to be x is equal to 20 over 3. Am I right or am I right?
Good work.
Boom! 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 See, it seemed a little too good to be true. Like, I mean, a pretty quick wooded, all things considered.
All right, and here's your final question.
Aha, yeah. You would do something like that. I hope you guys are ready to see me not get this question right. I really don't like this. I really don't like this. And x is equal to, so let's see, 2/5. is my final answer.
No, that's wrong.
Are you sure that x does not equal 2 over 5?
Plug in 2/5 into that, see if it solves for it. I've been doing math a lot longer than you. I wouldn't be asking you if I'm sure.
Yeah, are you sure though?
I'm sure.
Oh, dude, I'm not getting this problem right. I think writing it like that actually might help me. 4. So is x equal to -4? That's my final answer.
Well, your final answer is wrong, so try again.
I actually don't know what I'm doing wrong. The one plus that I have going for me is after this kingdom, we have a kingdom with no moons. X equals -14. Please tell me I'm right. Oh my god, I'm done. If Rob ever becomes a teacher, the world is doomed. There's a funny story. Like, I actually wanted to become a teacher at one point. Let's go on to Cloud.
Because Cloud has no moons,
Yay!
you have nothing to do.
Yay! I'm not gonna run out of moons. I'm not gonna run out of moons. Although I almost ran out of moons in Lake. I was running out of pre-world peace moons to do. It was looking a little scary. Bro, how are we almost 2 hours in and I'm only in Cloud?
Classic.
It's like just making me do his homework for him.
Oh, Rob, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm actually joking. Cloud does have a problem associated with it. This is gonna be our knowledge check. We have one problem, and if you get it wrong twice, I'm gonna make you refight Bowser for every 2 attempts.
You're just lying. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying.
I will give you around 5 minutes to solve this problem. There's no calculator, and I'm gonna need you to simplify it to a rational numerator and denominator. So before we head on to loss, I'm gonna need you to simplify the expression on the next page. Are you ready?
Sure.
All right. Here's your expression.
You're lying, 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 you're lying. That's not.
Go ahead and get to work on that.
No calculator in 5 minutes. You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
Grab something to eat. Go ahead and start working on this.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. What is this bullshit?
I'm gonna go grab a quick bite. Just go ahead and start simplifying. Just take everything one step at a time. Try to simplify it. I'll give you a hint. The answer is not a whole number. It's gonna
really.
be
I would have never guessed that.
So good luck.
Let's take this one parentheses at a time. So our answer is going to be 33 over 40 to the second for this. Now 15% of 64. So 15% of 64 is 9.6. Our equation is now going to be written like 33 over 40 to the second plus 9.6 over 4 divided by 7 over 8 minus 0.125. So it's just 7/8 minus 1/8. I'm actually cooking with this right now. So is my final answer 154 over 50 divided by 6 over 8?
I think that's actually right.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, it comes out to 4.106.
Let's fucking go, man! I did not think I was gonna get that right!
You got that right.
Oh my god!
It's not fully simplified, but it is right.
Okay.
For loss, we're gonna revisit our word problems. I'm gonna have 1 attempt per question, 2-minute time limit, no calculator, and I'm gonna ask you to provide units if the question specifies units. A movie ticket costs $8, and popcorn costs $4. You buy 3 tickets and 2 popcorns, then use a $5 coupon. What is the total cost?
So our answer is $27.
There you go, bud.
Let's go, Mr. Butterfly.
All right, question number 2. A recipe uses 3/5 of a 10-cup bag of flour. How many cups of flour are used?
3/5?
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
All right, well then go get another moon.
What? How is that wrong? A recipe uses 3/5 of a 10-cup bag of flour. How many cups of flour are used? 3/5. The 10-cup bag of flour has nothing to do with it. If I'm using 3/5 of the...
3/5 of the bag! There's 10 cups in the bag. How many cups is that? Go get another moon.
So 2 cups would be 1/5. 4 cups would be 2/5. 6 cups. 6 cups.
I'm really concerned if
6
you soft
cups.
and lost. Yes.
Wait, how many moons are available in Lost?
20.
Okay. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. All right.
Okay, next question. A phone battery is at 0.8 charge, so we'll say that's 80%. After use, 25% of the battery is drained. What fraction of the battery remains?
My final answer is 11/20ths of the battery remain.
Oh, this Reese's cup is good. Go get another moon.
Huh? What is wrong? What is wrong with my math? I actually don't know what could be wrong with my math here.
A lot.
So if my phone is at 0.8 of its percent, and after use, I drain 25% of that battery, that would be 0.8 minus a fourth. Would that not? Would that not be 0.8 minus a fourth?
It would not.
How so?
It's not a fourth, it's a fourth of the battery. A fourth of 80% isn't a fourth.
Which we can divide this into 4s, and that's 2/10. Do we still have 3/5 of our battery?
3/5 is correct.
Okay. I figured it out. I think that was more of a wording problem on your end than me.
I don't know, man. Next question. 5 more than 3 times the number is 26. What is the number?
I think that's how the question should be written. And so we minus 5. This is absolutely how the question should be written, because this is a math problem. This is beautiful. I think this one is a first try. We just flew through this question, and the number is 7. Give it to me.
Good job.
Go. I'm ready.
Your next question is, a board is 12 feet long. 1/4 of it is cut off, and then 2.5 more feet are removed. How long is the board now?
So the board is actually 6.5 feet long now.
Correct.
Shit, what can I say?
I could say that you've already gotten like 3 wrong answers through 5 questions.
I'm moving and grooving. All right, give me the next question.
A jacket costs $80. Is discounted by 15%, then an additional $4 are taken off. What is the final price?
So then that means it is now $64.
You got really excited over that one.
$64. I am a mathematician. And down I go, and I'm ready for my next question.
Twice a number minus 3 is the same as half the number plus 9. What is the number?
The number that we get is 12.
So it actually isn't. I'm gonna need you to get another move.
I don't understand that. That
sucks. Figure it out.
Well, I guess I can resolve because the moon's right there. Let me really think this one through here. Did you get 3?
That is incorrect. Go get another moon.
Oh, I don't actually know how to solve that problem because it doesn't seem like I'm doing it wrong.
Rob's getting soft locked. It's possible.
So like, what happens if I get soft locked?
I don't know. You lose.
Just lose math percent. Is that not the right way to write that fucking equation?
It is.
X is equal to 8. 8 is my final answer.
Well, your third final answer, but yeah.
I got it. Oh, I'm going in the shop. We're doing shop again.
You ready for question 8?
I am.
3/4 of a number increased by 6 equals 21. What is the number?
3/4 of X plus 6 is equal to 21. I think is how that's supposed to be written. So is my number to the problem 20?
It is 20.
Boom, baby. All right.
I think I'd be celebrating.
Captain, nice to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. All right, next question.
Value is increased by 20%, then 10 is added. The final result is 70. What was the original value?
X plus 0.2 of X plus 10 is equal to 70. I think, yeah, that's the right way of setting this problem up.
All right, I'm gonna need an answer.
My answer is 60.
Your answer is incorrect. Please
Oh,
go get another moon.
oh, dude, I'm gonna get soft locked and lost, aren't I? Is it 0.2 of x plus 10 is equal to 70? I think that's actually the right way to solve.
Rob, you have 20 seconds.
I'm going with 30 then. 30 is my answer.
Then you're going to go get another moon.
Dude! I'm not finishing this problem, am I? Oh my goodness, dude.
Go get another moon, buddy.
Ah! All right. So now my final answer is 120.
Go get another moon, bro.
How is it not 120?
Go get another moon. Get the one in the wall. Go get the moon in the wall.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna run out of moons. I have 15 moons.
Okay, Rob, try again. You got 2 minutes on the clock. About 30 seconds left, buddy.
Give me a little bit longer. Give me a little bit longer. I just need a tiny bit longer. Okay, just a little bit longer. Let me like solve this equation, and then I got you. I got you with the right answer.
Rob, I'm gonna need an answer, buddy.
Give me just a little bit long.
I'm gonna need an answer, buddy.
Give me just.
I could need an answer.
Give me just.
Rob, I'm gonna need an answer.
The only answer that I have written down is 12, and I know it's not the right fucking answer. Oh, dude.
Rob, I'm gonna need an answer.
36. 36.
Go get another moon.
Dude, this is becoming hell now.
What do you have left? Cave gardening, TNT, the cage moon, and I don't even remember what else you have. Okay, you have 2 minutes.
Chat, I need help. Chat.
Nope, chat, you are not allowed to help him. I'm sorry. It's not 36.
It's not 12. It's not 36. It's not 60. It's not. It's literally nothing. It's just literally nothing. Put a 1 in chat if you guys know the answer. There's too many ones. Stop with the ones. Oh! It's 50. It's 50. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it!
Rob, you have 3 chances to answer this next question or you get soft locked. So go pick which moon you want to do next. Get next to it. Do you think this is how Einstein felt when he discovered physics?
Bro, the lock-in when I realized what the answer was insane. I was like, holy shit, I figured it out. All right, don't collect the moon.
Right.
Next question, here we go.
The final question for Lost Kingdom. A number is multiplied by 3/4. Then 33% of the result is added. Then 5 is subtracted. The final number is 19. What is the original number?
33%? What are these percentages, man?
I'm gonna need your final answer, buddy.
Give me 1 more quick second. Okay, but that's not equal to 10% anymore, or whatever it is. Fuck, 30%. My final answer is 24. There's no way that was a guess. That was a guess. There's no way.
There's actually no
There's no way.
Rob, I cannot explain to you how incorrectly you did that problem. You wrote 33% as 3/10. That never should have worked. I was so ready for you to soft lock, and you pulled 24 out of your ass.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
I cannot believe this. There is no way I just did that. I am so good.
On to Metro Kingdom. We're gonna do some geometry.
We might run into a problem with geometry because geometry is the math class I got the worst grade on in school. All right, math problem,
All right.
here we come.
Our first geometry problem. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 8 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters.
We could do perimeter. 26, our answer is 16 centimeters.
That's incorrect.
What?
Look at another. You said your answer is 16 centimeters. That's incorrect.
Oh no, 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 dude. I take it back. I meant 26. I take it back.
I take it back. You said final answer. My answer is 16 centimeters. That's wrong. Look at another moon.
Give me this fucking moon now. Give me this moon now. The answer is 26 centimeters. Moving on.
Maybe think about what you're saying next time.
Next question.
A triangle has a base of 10 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. Find the area.
Is my answer 30 centimeters?
I really want to be an asshole because your answer is not 30 centimeters.
It's 30 centimeters cubed.
Just go get another moon, man.
What?
In what realm is area cubed, bro? It's kind of embarrassing when you said cubed for the area of a triangle.
I don't know why I was thinking like cubed would be like for a triangle and then squared is for a square.
It's because triangle has 3 sides.
That's what I thought. I'm not joking either. That's
Some
actually.
of these geometry questions might actually put you in a coma. So, Rob, what's the answer to this question?
It's 60 centimeters squared.
That is
No, 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 no. Let me take it back. Let me take it back. No, 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 no.
Please go get another moon.
No, let me take it back. Let me take it back. Let me take it back. No, 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 no. No, let me take it back.
Go get another moon.
No, 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 no.
Go get another moon. Go get another moon.
Dude, these are like fucking the kindergarten questions, and I'm getting them wrong. All right, the answer is 30 centimeters squared.
Good job. I'll read you your next question.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Find the circumference of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. Use 22/7 for pi.
I really do think area equals pi r squared, but I don't know what circumference is equal to. So I think the best thing that I can do for myself is just assume that this is circumference and not area, and just go for it. So is the circumference equal to 154 centimeters?
I need your final answer.
154 centimeters squared?
That is the wrong number and the wrong units. We'll get another moon.
Oh yeah, calc is short for calculator, in case you guys just joined. It's slang.
Okay, what are you doing? You just got your moon, now you have to answer.
Oh yeah, I'm speedrunning. Alright.
Can I just fucking pull the plug on whatever the fuck you're doing, man? You're wrong. Go get another moon.
Oh my god!
Listen, go get another moon and I'm just gonna tell you what the formula is because it's starting to get confusing. So Rob, the formula for circumference is 2 pi r.
We get an answer of 308 centimeters.
Do you have brain damage? Go get another moon. You had, and I quote, 2 times 22/7 times 7. You got 308. Just go get another moon, man.
I just grabbed a moon, let's solve. And our final answer is 44
44 what?
centimeters.
Man, that one took way too long.
Let's go. How many questions have I answered correctly so far?
3.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 moons? What the fuck? Next question!
Next question.
Oh,
2 angles are supplementary. One angle measures 58 degrees. Find the other angle.
It's 122. My answer is 122 degrees.
First try.
Boom, baby! And they were worried about me. They were worried about me.
Rob, you have 13 moons and you've answered 4 questions. I would relax.
All
Your
right.
next question. Find the measure of each interior angle of an equilateral triangle.
It's 60 degrees.
Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
Good job.
All right. I'm just sitting there and I'm like trying to solve it using MS Paint. And I'm like, bro, this does not need to be solved using MS Paint.
The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 540 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have?
It's got 8 sides. That's my final answer. Huh? How does it not have 8 sides?
Go get another moon. All right. You can go ahead and start your next attempt at this question.
The answer's 9, not 8. It's 9.
Good work. It's wrong, though, so go get another moon.
What? Now we're just lying. Now we're lying. We're actively lying.
Your formula is just not even remotely accurate.
Yeah, I remember doing this my sophomore year of high school. I can imagine it. I can imagine. And this wasn't very hard. This was very easy to figure out, but I can't remember how to figure it out. I think I have to go with a lucky guess. Lucky number 7.
Lucky number wrong.
Fuck.
Try again. Get a different moon.
Yeah, my answer is 15.
Motherfucker, where did you get 15 from?
I don't know. I'm just
get the moon, bro.
I'm
the
just
formula is n-2 times 180.
Thank you for the equation. I have 18 moons in Metro, and I'm on question number 4. 6. I'm going to spread love and joy throughout the world.
All right, buddy. What's your new attempt?
With the information that I now know, let's try this again. Is my answer n equals 5?
Your answer is 5.
Oh my goodness. I'm feeling exhausted after this. I'm realizing that I actually am so bad at math. Like so bad.
All right. As you head up there, we'll prepare you with your next question. Question number 7 out of, what, 18? A right triangle has legs of 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of the hypotenuse.
C squared is equal to 15.
15 what?
Centimeters.
Correct.
Amen. Amen. We did it.
And since your next moon is just right there, I'll get this next question loaded up for you.
Hey, thank you. I appreciate that.
Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 2, 9.
I don't know. There is nothing. It just says find the distance. 6 points?
I told you units, bro.
6 units?
Yes.
You just wrote 6, you fucker. And that's the right answer. Get out of here.
I asked you for units. I told you that I wanted units and units, and you still didn't know what units to give me. I don't know how that's my fault. Find the area of a triangle with vertices at 0, 0, 6, 0, and 0, 4.
What are vertices? What are vertices?
Now, Rob, I want the answer in units. Okay?
Yes, but what is a vertice?
You can't be real, dude. A triangle has how many sides?
3.
So that means it has how many points?
3.
And how many coordinates did I give you?
3.
What can you deduce that a vertice is?
A side?
Motherfucker, these are points. These are not lines.
Area is 12 units.
12 units what?
12 units squared. On to these guys down here.
The perimeter of a square is 48 centimeters. Find the area of the square.
The area of our square is 144 centimeters squared.
Correct.
I am figuring this out. Next question, please.
A rectangle has length x plus 3 and width x minus 1. If the perimeter is 28 units, find x.
Find x. X is 6.
X is 6.
Boom, baby. Boom. I'm rocking it. I'm rolling. I'm ready for my next question.
Find the area of a circle with diameter 10 centimeters. Use pi equals 3.14.
Would my answer be 1,256 centimeters squared?
Oh my god, that's not even close, dude. Get another moon. Jeez.
Chat, what did
I'll
I
get
do
something
wrong?
else, bro.
Chat, what did I do wrong? Fucking 1,256. What is wrong? I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what I did wrong. Instead of yell, we should think it through. All right, so our next moon's gonna be right here, and we're right back to where we were. We're right back to square one, solving our problem, which is going to be a hard one, I think.
No, it's not.
6, 7. Oh, 6, 7. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go with the information that I have. I think this is my best educated guess, and so I'm gonna go with 42.5 centimeters squared.
No.
Fuck, dude. Fuck.
That was
fuck.
not even close, man.
Yeah, I might be cooked. I might be cooked.
The fact that, again, the fact that that logically makes sense in your head is concerning to me.
Why? That makes sense to me.
If r squared is 25 and pi is 3.14,
Oh!
like,
What? No. Listen. Because 5 times 5 is 25. So that's 5 to the second, is it not? But I solve it right here. We put an end to the problem. All right, chat. I think I know the answer. My final answer is going to be 75 centimeters squared. Or 78.5 centimeters squared.
the fact that I thought you were actually about to say 75, it scares me that you thought.
I miss
your mouth.
Yeah, I just words. I'm a happy guy. What could I say? Oh, dude. Mr. General, I'm ready for my next question.
Two similar triangles have side lengths in the ratio 3 to 5. If the smaller triangle has an area of 27, what is the area of the larger triangle?
Yeah, so I mean, my answer has to be 45.
So it actually doesn't, because that's wrong.
Huh?
Go get another road.
That actually, I was so confident about that. I don't know why that's wrong. All right, I'm ready for my next question.
Well, you're on the same question, so.
Oh, yeah, duh, obviously. Silly me. Fucking stupid. Is my answer spitting me in the face right in front of me? And is my answer just 36?
Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
Go get another moon.
This can't be happening. Wait, I figured it out. My answer is 75 units squared.
I'm going insane, man.
Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, let's go.
Rob, it took you like 10 moons to solve that.
Next question.
Right triangle has a hypotenuse of 13 centimeters and one leg at 5 centimeters. Find the length of the other leg.
So our other length is 12 centimeters.
Really a relief that one only took you like
Let's
a minute.
go, baby. That is a good redemption. Good redemption right there.
Not really, man.
Much needed redemption. I really hope we are almost out of Metro.
You still have 4 more questions, bro.
That's a real problem. On to the next problem.
The radius of a circle is increased by 50%. By what factor does the area increase?
Yeah, I couldn't tell you that one.
Well, you're gonna have to, because it's a problem that you need to solve.
It increases by 2.
That is incorrect.
Huh?
Go get another moon.
I have a feeling I am getting to the point where I'm going to have all moons in Metro, which is a real concern. Does the area increase by 50%?
Is that your final answer?
That is my
If it's
final
from here.
answer.
Well, that's wrong, so go try it. Go get another moon.
I have no idea how I'm going to solve this. Genuinely no clue. I have nothing is working to figure out this one. Guys, I have to be brutally honest. I don't know.
Rob, I'm gonna need an answer.
The answer is 25%.
That is not the answer. I'm going to need you to go get another moon.
I'm running out of moons to do. Does the area increase like
It does.
4 times?
It is incorrect. Please go get another moon.
Okay, what if I run out of moons in Metro?
Then, I don't know, you lose?
So does the area increase by 1.5?
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
That is incorrect. Please go get another moon.
This is stupid. This is stupid. I have no conclusion. I'm throwing up straight guesses. I have no idea.
Guessing, man. You're running out of moons.
I don't know how to
This thing has
solve
the most
this.
moons
I
in
have
the
no
base
idea how to solve this. So the answer is 2.25.
Yes.
I'm so lost. All right, I'm
All
ready
right.
for my next
Well,
question.
you ready for your next question? Okay.
Not really,
You have
but
3 more. A rectangular prism has dimensions of 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So think about length equals 4, width equals 6, and height equals 10, for instance. Find its surface area.
answer is 240 centimeters squared.
I thought I was gonna get you with this one, and I was right because that is incorrect.
What, dude?
Rob, read the second line.
So
You gave me volume.
you just want this area. That's all you care about is this area. So you really just want the answer of 60 centimeters squared.
What the fuck did no?
What, dude?
Surface area is the combined area of every face on this rectangular prism.
So with the information given now, let's try again. So the surface area is 248 centimeters squared.
Rob, is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
That is the correct answer.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh, dude, I am beyond disappointed in myself. Tonight has been a bad showing of the math skills. Is
We
this
solved for x.
so X has to equal 15.
Well, that is correct.
Let's go. We're actually on a roll now. We're actually like kind of on a roll. Let's keep this momentum up. This is the final question. This is the final question. Oh my God, we are almost out of Metro. All right. Last question of
Here is your last
Metro.
question of Metro Kingdom Geometry.
you're an asshole for this one.
Good luck.
Do you want me to soft lock and not be able to do math percent? Because holy.
Respectfully, I didn't expect some of the questions that took you so long to take you as long as they did.
Okay, so I can give you everything. C equals 58 degrees, X equals 122 degrees, and Y equals 29 degrees.
Rob, is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
Rob,
Yes?
that is correct.
Oh my goodness, get me.
We are done
Out
with Metro Kingdom after
Metro.
probably about 3 hours. We are officially out of Metro Kingdom.
Oh my goodness gracious, man. What is my moon count at now? A nice crisp 130 moons.
He could be done with the game with that many moons. As we enter Snow Kingdom, we will be doing graphing-based questions.
Like, Y equals
Now,
mx
this-
plus b?
No. So this is going to be, it's 1 attempt per question, 2 minutes, but this is going to be a multiple choice section.
I can't do that bad. I can't do that bad. My first question, here we go.
What does this graph represent?
The b equals where is your y-intercept, and your slope is the m. Y equals mx plus b, which means that our answer has to be C.
It should not have taken you that long. But
No,
that is
it should
correct.
not have taken me that long. That was bad. That was bad. Jeez Louise. Hit me with that nice new shiny math problem.
What does this graph represent?
So our y-intercept is 1, and we're going up 1, 2, 3. It's A. A is our answer.
Is correct.
Boom. See, I love slope. I love this stuff. This stuff is what I did well in school. Next question.
What does this graph represent?
Knowing our formula that our answer has to be C.
That is correct.
Money moves, baby. Next question.
Or what does this graph represent?
And we can automatically assume that our answer is D.
Rob, that is incorrect. I'm gonna need you to go get another moon.
Huh? I'm in shock. I can't believe this.
He's baffled.
I don't even know what to say. Besides,
That answer was wrong.
let's relook at the problem. My answer is B.
That is correct.
Thank you. That was just quick computing in my head. You know what time it is, everybody. It's next question time.
All right, Rob. What equation does this graph represent?
Oh, bro, parabolas. Okay, maybe I'm not good at this anymore. But our answer has to be C.
That is correct.
Wow, we are flying through this.
Well, I designed this category to be easier for you.
Hey, I appreciate that. You know, we need a little breathing room after that. Next question.
What does this graph represent?
My answer is D.
Your answer is incorrect. Please go get another moon.
I was just guessing between B and D. Oh, that means that my answer's B, bro. Now it's time for me to tell you the answer is B.
That is correct.
Let's go. We're very easily making our way through. Only 2 questions wrong. Now it's time for the next question.
Here's the next question. What does this graph represent?
It's D.
It's correct.
All right. It was either between A or D. Bro was like telling me that the answer's squirt. I'm like, what?
It's a square root, but okay.
Oh, the square root of X. Oh. I thought bro was just telling me squirt. In the back of my mind, I'm like, this is the final question, but it's not because I've gotten 2 questions wrong. That's unfortunate, but I'm ready for question number 8.
Here's question number 8. What does this graph represent?
I'm just gonna have to guess on this. I'm going to have to choose D.
Oh, that is incorrect. I'm gonna need you to get another moon.
That's probably the worst thing you could have said. So I think my guess for this moon is going to be A.
That is correct.
Wow, I got a really lucky guess there because if I went through all of them before I got it right, that would have been the worst thing possible. Easy peasy. Next question. Question number 9.
What does this graph represent?
Bro, what are we doing to me? What are we doing to me? My answer is A.
That is going to be incorrect.
I'm gonna cry. All right, my answer is going to be B.
That is going to be incorrect.
I'm not doing Snowdram. That is not happening, unfortunately. Or fortunately, depending on how you look at it. For me, it's fortunately. You do not want to see me do that. I'll be extending math % by a whole nother 2 hours if that's the case. Yeah, because your guess isn't for Boundable. A good time is a not finish. A good time is second place or did not finish. All right, my guess for this equation is going to be D.
That is incorrect. Go get another moon.
Dude, that is the worst thing that could have happened. I only have 4 chances to get this right, and it's taking me all 4 chances. Why didn't I just go down the list, dude? Why did I go A, B, D, C? This is pain. Next question. I did not mean to cut or collect that, but oh well.
Here's your final moon of Snow Kingdom. What does this graph represent?
B. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go.
I know I am so certain that there was no thought behind that, but
because like X could be anything and X could represent like how many lines there are.
What? Yeah, just stop talking, just leave.
Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Right. Seaside Kingdom will be fun because Seaside probability.
That's ass.
We'll be doing probability based questions.
I am not looking forward to that. I'm ready.
All right, Rob, here's your first question. A fair coin is flipped once. What is the probability of getting tails?
1/2.
That is correct.
Okay. We will have a flawless Seaside. Okay, next question.
Right, question number 2. A fair 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4?
It's so stupid. It's 1/2 again.
Oh, that is incorrect. Please go get another round.
I know what I did. I can't read.
I think you know what you did wrong, but...
And then it's 2/6, which equals 1/3. Yay! I totally didn't see the answer for half a second, but I would have, you know, I would have gotten it. I
have faith that you would have known what you did wrong and how to fix it. But...
Yeah, I made a silly mistake with math. Next question.
A bag contains 3 red and 2 blue marbles. One is drawn at random. What is the probability it is red?
3/5.
That is correct.
Money moves. We do need to lock in a little bit. Next question.
2 coins are flipped. What is the probability of getting exactly 1 head?
1/4.
That is incorrect. Please go get another number.
1/8. That's my final answer.
Honestly, might have been the stupidest possible thing you could have said. Go get another moon.
Chat, let's think this through. It's 1/3.
That is incorrect. Go get another moon.
I'm never solving this. You know what's the back of my mind right now is as soon as I'm done with this, And as soon as I end my stream, I'm going and I'm doing actual homework. And so I'm just doing math right now for shits and giggles, and then I'm going to do schoolwork as soon as I'm done with this bullshit. Yeah, I'm guessing 1/2.
That's correct.
Oh, dude. Such
Rob,
a shitty problem. I just suck at
Or if you wanna do
probability.
it, standard deck of 52 cards is shuffled.
Oh, dude.
What is the probability of drawing a heart or a king?
Probability of drawing a heart or a king is 1/13.
Rob, have you ever seen a deck of cards before? Go get another moon. Have you ever seen a deck of cards before?
Yeah, I've seen.
You said that it has 2 hearts and 2 kings.
Yeah,
A heart is a suit. There are 4 suits in a deck of cards.
I don't think that can be simplified any bit more. So it's just gonna be 17/52.
No, it's not. That's incorrect. Go get another moon.
Final answer is 4/13.
That is correct.
Okay.
I'm proud of you. You figured out your mistake and I didn't have to tell you.
I realized what I did wrong. I double counted a king.
A box contains 5 green and 3 yellow marbles. 2 marbles are drawn without replacement. What is the probability both are green?
Final answer of 10/21.
Rob, I'm impressed. Your answer was very close, but wrong.
Damn it.
The single incorrect thing, which is probably the most embarrassing possible thing that it could be, is I don't think you know what 5 + 3 is.
I am fucking stupid. I can't wait to resolve this problem because I can't count. 5/14. That is my final answer.
Correct.
All right. Almost out of here.
A card is drawn from a deck and is known to be black. What is the probability it is a spade?
Yeah, that's a question. Our answer is 1/4.
That is incorrect.
What? The probability is an eighth. 1/8.
That is incorrect. Go get another one.
That actually doesn't make any fucking sense.
You need to consider what you know. What this problem is telling you that you already know going into it.
The answer to my problem is 1/2.
Correct?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That was scary if I got that wrong. I actually wouldn't have had any idea why I got that wrong.
A fair coin is flipped 4 times. What is the probability of getting at least 1 head?
1/2.
That is incorrect. Please go get another minute.
Let's think about this again. I guess my answer is going to have to be 15/16.
That is going to be correct.
I should pop off harder. I am suffering. I am
You can
suffering.
see the kind of thing that I've gone through for now 7 hours. 2 fair 6-sided dice are rolled. We'll say at the same time. What is the probability that the sum is 9?
The probability that the sum is 9 is 1/9, funny enough. On question
This is
9.
Another scenario of you just did completely non-logical logic and got the right answer. Because whatever you just said made no fucking sense.
No, but it does make sense though. Because
No, because it doesn't. A standard 52 card deck is shuffled. What is the probability of selecting a red card that has a number less than 7?
yeah, I mean that's gonna be my answer is 5/13.
You have brain damage.
No, did I solve it right though?
No.
Damn it. 3/13. That's my final answer.
That is incorrect.
How is that incorrect? 5/26. That's my final answer.
That's correct.
Oh my goodness. Let's freaking go, man. Seaside is done.
For Luncheon Kingdom, you will be doing algebra. Go prepare your first moon, dear.
Let's do this. And it's time for the first question of luncheon.
Solve this system of equations.
So the answer is x = 2, y = 5.
That's correct.
Boom. Like I said, these problems might take me a minute, but I don't think I'm gonna get that many wrong. No, I do think word problems trip me up more than anything else.
Find the slope of the line perpendicular to y = 3/4 x minus 2.
-4/3x.
That's correct.
I am on a roll. Sometimes you just gotta think it through. Sometimes you gotta think it through. I was just,
Questions is on a roll, guys.
hey, you know, this is much better than Metro.
This system of equations.
x equals 4 and y equals 3.
That is correct.
What did I say? We're on a roll.
Find the equation of a line with a slope -2 passing through point 3, -1.
Yeah, so my equation is y equals -2x plus 5.
That would be incorrect.
What?
Wait. Maybe I'm wrong. Hold on.
I think you're wrong. I think you are wrong.
I am wrong. What the hell?
Yeah. Okay, I knew it. I knew it. Because I did the freaking long way too. And I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. All right. We're 4 for 4 so far. That's pretty good. Might be our best start since like sand, which is really embarrassing.
Solve this system of equations. Please provide me with all answers.
I remember this, it's just, do I remember how to solve it? And the answer to that's going to be a definitive no. This is where my roll might end. Is my answer x equals y over 4 and y equals x squared?
That is incorrect. Please go get another one.
Alright, let's look at solving this again. Sometimes I just want to yell, dude. It's it's x equals 4 and y equals 16.
That's one of them. What's the other one?
What do you mean? I said x
There's
equals...
two solutions. There's another value of x that you could plug in that'll give you a value for y in both equations.
Is it just the negatives of both of those numbers?
No.
I'm gonna lose it. X equals 0, y equals 0, x equals 4, y equals 16. I forgot about these when it's like, it's also 0. It's also 0. It's just also 0. Stick around and watch Rob do math. No, math! Just did.
Determine whether the system has one solution, no solutions, or infinite solutions.
I just like, I hate how much fucking work you have to do for these sorts of problems. So work intensive for no reason. Oh, wait, no. It's no solution. That's my final answer.
Please go get another one.
Then that makes no sense. I disagree with you. General, I think you're mistaken.
Rob, I am not mistaken. Bob, your options are either one solution or infinite solution, bro. Just use common sense. You do not have to solve the entire problem again.
I'm gonna go with there's one solution.
You are stupid. Go get another man.
Damn.
If these lines touch on every single point, that they have an infinite number of solutions.
Okay, yeah. Boom.
To solve this system of equations.
Yay. This is infinite solutions again.
Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
That's incorrect. Another room.
The same thing is happening to me again as the last equation, and so I'm just, yeah, it's gotta be infinite solutions.
Except it isn't, and if it is, then you're doing something wrong.
I mean, my answer's just gotta be no solution.
Well, then your answer's gotta be wrong. Go get another moon.
Dude, I don't know how to solve these equations anymore. I don't think I know how to solve really any math anymore. I never thought I'd need to look or need to use it ever again after high school. I never once after high school have done any geometry. Well, actually, I probably have done some geometry, but like very basic geometry. I have never done system of equations in my life outside of high school.
That's what you want to think.
That is 100% true. I'm not on a daily basis going out and solving system of equations. It's just not happening. So my answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3.
That's incorrect. Please go get another moon.
What the fuck, dude? Yeah, we're not finishing this tonight.
I didn't think so.
Is my answer x equals 2, y equals 1?
That's correct.
That was the most stupid equation of all time.
Find the slope between points -3, 4 and 5, 2.
Please use your brain. Please use your brain, dude. Oh my god, I'm actually getting pissed off with myself because I'm just like, I'm doing stupid ass fucking mistakes. Like I've never done a thing of math in my fucking life, dude. Please. That is my slope. X equals, or not x, but -3/4.
Feels good to hear that.
Dude. Yeah. Tonight was not as fun as it was the other day. Holy shit, this was just pain and suffering. The second half has actually just been the most suffering I've been through in so long. I mean, my best choice is probably to do...
Let's start working on world peace.
Yeah, world peace related stuff, I guess? Alright, next question! I didn't mean to collect it, but next question.
Rob, solve this system of equations.
I'm just gonna have to guess here and tell you I don't know. Alright, we're solving again. My answer is x equals 2, y equals 2.
You already used that answer. I'm gonna need a different answer.
Y equals 3, x equals 3.
Just think about it.
Yeah, and nothing fucking works when I'm actually thinking about it. It's just asking me to solve questions that aren't real. Oh, I need to stop jumping into moons. Alright. So, we need to solve this equation again. It's a trick question all along. It's no solution.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
That's incorrect.
There actually isn't a solution to this.
Oh, there is, and it's painfully obvious.
There's no way there's a solution to this. All of this just to be able to answer the same question with, I don't know.
You have to think, bro.
It's not that I'm giving up, it's that I just don't know how to solve this problem. Like the start of Algebra 2 here in Luncheon, we were going pretty good. And spirits were high, and now we're on the latter questions, and I'm really struggling again. So I'm sure in Ruined, spirits will be higher again. Maybe in Bowser's for like a question. Moon, I'll be so happy. I'm already thinking about me and Moon. 2 minus 1. Oh, shoot. Y equals 1, and then X equals 1. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I finally got it right. That was just one question that I solved. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, Moon. Give me my next question right now, question man. Let's go.
Find the midpoint of the segment joining 6, -4, and -2, 8.
My final answer is 2, -6.
How did you even get that answer?
Well, I'm finding the midpoint of a line by mapping it out on a graph and then finding the midpoint.
Rob, your graph isn't even right.
Is it 1, 2?
It's incorrect.
The inflection of your voice tells me that's close but no cigar.
The inflection of my voice is I've already given up on you 30 minutes into this.
No, say it ain't so.
Because like you're not even like attempting to think about it mathematically, you're just drawing a line and guessing.
Well, because I don't know the equation anymore. 2, 2. That's my next guess. Let's go. See? Sometimes we just gotta map it out, use some visuals, and
you can't like be excited after getting 2 incorrect answers.
Yeah, I mean, it's better than the last one. Better than the last one. We all start somewhere.
Solve the system of equations.
Yep. I already know this. This is easy. X equals 4, Y equals 4, baby. Plug it in.
Wow. He used his
Boom.
brain.
That's what we call rockin' and rollin'. That's what we call rockin' and rollin'. Okay, next question. I'm about to buy a moon.
Find the equation of the line passing through points 1, -2, and 5, 6.
And I'm literally doing the up 2 over 3, down 2
What's your
over
slope?
3.
What's your slope?
2 over 3.
Oh my god, that's not even right. Go get another moon. You're done with this. Go get another moon.
What? Bro told me the way to solve it, and I did it the way he solved it.
What's 6
Oh, you're
minus
subtracting, you're not adding. Oh.
I said oh my god.
Oh. Let's try and solve this again. Y equals 2x minus 4.
That's correct.
Let's freaking go, baby. Easy.
These last 4 questions kind of switch over to a different topic of algebra. Definitely going into algebra 2 more. We're going to be eyeing up some quadratics. I would like you to expand this expression.
I'm being put through hell and back right now. Like, why?
You cannot be complaining about this, man.
Oh no. And you get x squared plus 8x plus 15. That would be my final answer. Let's go.
I've never heard it called that either. I usually just say foil, but you know.
No. It's the crab claw method, guys. It's the crab claw because it looks like a crab claw. But it could be foil because you do first, outer, inner, last as well.
Rob, I would like you to factor this expression completely.
Welcome to 3 more hours of luncheon. Yeah, it's x minus 2, x plus 5.
That's correct.
Oh my goodness, I'm fucking
Another
stupid, dude. I'm fucking stupid. All right, let's do this. Answer is x plus or x minus 2, x minus 5.
That's correct.
Jeez, bro, I can't believe that happened. All right, on to question 15. We're actually almost done with terrible luncheon kingdom. We could, if we're lucky, get it done here by doing the worst sub area in the entire game.
Please expand this expression.
2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Let's go, man. We're on a roll all of a sudden.
I'm giving you easier math.
It's not easier. I don't know what you're talking about. This is so much harder. I mean, I'm not exactly sure, but it seems hard for me.
Final question of Luncheon Kingdom. Factor this expression completely.
Let's go. I'm right. Okay, I figured it out. Oh, what a buzzer beater of a question. It's 6x plus 4, 2x minus 3. Oh my god, what a fucking buzzer beater, man. Give it to me.
Incorrect.
How is that incorrect? That factors, that 100% factors. You can't argue that is wrong. That's correct. That is correct. I will not answer another question in luncheon. That is 100% correct.
6x plus 4?
No, 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3.
Okay, so that's correct, but you said 6x plus 4 and 2x minus 3.
No. I'm not. No.
I won't make you answer it again.
Thank you.
You were right, but you said the wrong thing.
No.
Yes, you did.
Maybe I did, but no.
Yes, you did.
But it's time for Ruined. Ruined should be an easy kingdom. Easy dragon fight into a moon collect. We just gotta lock in for one question and we're in and we're out. And then we pretty much just have one kingdom left with questions. Give me my question boy.
So this question, it's gonna be a bit of a challenge problem.
What?
Preemptively, this is the one question that I did not come up with. Connor got this one for me.
Oh, so I'm gonna get myself soft locked in a Ruined. Great.
Just before you go hurling insults, this is your question. Starting with the A on top and only moving one letter at a time down to the left or down to the right, how many different paths from the top to bottom spell algebra?
The fuck is this? So you can only move, once you move one way, you can only stay that one way.
So the point is, you're trying to see how many different ways you can spell algebra, how many different combinations you have. The thing is that you can only move one to the left or one to the right as you're going down.
I feel like this is like a trick question and it's just as many A's as there are in the bottom as how many ways you could spell it. Like if there's an equation to solve this, it would be so much easier.
I mean, there is, you just wouldn't know it.
I mean, so there are at least 10 different ways to solve algebra. 22 different ways to solve this at the moment. Is there any other ways to solve this? I don't know. And to be honest, deep down inside, I don't really care. 22 is my answer.
It's incorrect. Please go get another moon.
I only have like, what, 3 more moons here, so the likelihood of me getting myself soft locked is very high. My answer is 20.
Can you try thinking, man?
I like how you're telling me that as if you don't think I'm thinking. If it's not 22, it's like there's no other ways for me to look at this dumbass triangle that spells a dumbass word. So, God, bro, this is so
Your
stupid.
answer has something to do with the fact that you can only go left or right and how many total letters there are in the word algebra.
It probably has to be a multiple of 8. You know, if I think about this, what is the closest multiple of 8 to 22? People are going to be yelling at me and saying, it's 24, it's 24. And I'm going to tell you that's not the right answer. And I'm going to tell you the answer is 32.
That is incorrect.
Alright, well, I'm going to think a little bit harder, and what is... Oh, actually, I have a really good guess. I have a feeling this is going to be right, and my reasoning behind it has no reason to be right. My answer is 64.
I want to hear your reasoning.
Because that's a stack in Minecraft. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Let's fucking go.
Well, it's 64 because it's 2 to the 8.
Yeah, I don't get that. I just think because 64, it's like a stack in Minecraft.
I hate you.
Let's go! On to Bowser's! Guys, we're down to really the final kingdom with moons. Word problems.
Some more
Why? Let us do Mr. Ogre Man.
Here's your first question for Bowser's Kingdom. A gym charges a $40 monthly fee plus $8 per class. You attend 6 classes, then receive a 15% discount on the total. What is the final cost?
All right, we get $74.80.
That is correct.
That was an easy problem. It just took some time to solve.
Container is filled to 5/6 of its capacity.
Hmm.
Then 30% of the contents are removed. And then afterwards, 1/4 of the remaining contents are added
What?
back. What fraction of the container is now full?
They're just making up problems.
That is the point of this, yes. So it's been 5 minutes. I would like you to go get another moon, but I will tell you that all of your work up until this point is correct.
I
If that
freaking
helps.
suck. Because if this is what question 2 is like, then I can't imagine what question number 6 is going to be like. Dude, what number can 12 and 32 both go into evenly? What the fuck? Why do I solve questions in the most stupid way sometimes, man? I'm actually just like getting upset. Is my answer 7/9?
That is correct.
Now, what we're going to do is try and get the answer right. 35/48. That would just have to be my final answer.
I do believe that is correct.
Yay! So ready to get this next question right. I did not mean to collect the moon, but it is what it is. Next question.
4 times a number minus 12 is equal to half the number plus 18. What is the number?
So my answer is x equals 8.57.
It's just 60/7. You did not have to do all that.
Well, you could have told me that while I was solving that instead of waiting for me to simplify it
funny.
all. And time waster over here.
Freaking time waster, bro. We're 10 hours in. It's not a concern of time anymore.
Oh,
Did you get all the moons there?
I did. If I don't get this done in sub 11 hours, then it's actually just cry time. Actually, I don't even know if that's possible. It's taking me like 20 minutes to solve a question. Wow. Yeah, guys, I really PB'd yesterday at 80%.
Are you sure?
Bro, hit her! Oh my goodness. Hopper time. I don't know what I was doing there. It's like I just, sometimes I just start spinning my stick out of habit, and then
The length of a rectangle is 3 less than 3 times its width. The area of the rectangle is 216 square units. Find the perimeter of the rectangle.
no thank you. 66 units.
That is correct.
God fucking damn this stupid ass fucking thing that I'm doing, bro. This is the worst decision I've ever had in my entire life. This thing is so stupid, bro. Oh my goodness. No, that's how I genuinely feel about math. Math might be the dumbest thing ever invented.
Like, they made, like, mustard gas and stuff, but... A right triangle has legs of 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters. The length of each leg is increased by 20%. How much does the area of the triangle increase?
We're so close to finishing, and I just want to finish. I want to finish all over the place. So the answer is 26.4 centimeters squared.
This is correct.
Holy man. I only have one more question left in Bowser's, and we are almost on our way out of this terrible challenge. Terrible challenge.
This is fun. This isn't a speedrun, man. Just it's quite the neck.
Then why is the live split timer going if it's not a speedrun? I can't believe it. After 3 whole days of grinding math percent, we're finally up here. Up to fight the one and the only mech. Bro, I've already had a rough of a mech as is. I don't need to be missing Spewer.
We may never solve the last problem.
Dude. Sub 11's actually not happening, is it? Dude, what is happening? You can't be making this up. Yay!
I polled every college student, mathematician, everyone that I know. I went through several sources online to determine what the single hardest question I could ask you based on your knowledge is to finish this kingdom here. Are you ready?
No, because I thought that was what Moon is gonna be, and now you're scaring me with what Moon could be.
Are you ready?
No.
That's not, you're gonna have to say yes. Are you ready?
Sure.
If Jenny has 5 apples and eats 3 of them, how many apples did she eat?
There's no way. There's just no way, bro. Okay, so if we have 5 apples, let's just say these are 5 apples here, and Jenny Gina eats 3 of them. Let's do it like this. 1 apple gone. 2 apple gone. 3 apple gone. 1, 2. 2 apples. That's my final answer. 2 apples.
Motherfucker, you cannot be serious. That is incorrect.
Wait! No way! There, dude, I'm not real. I'm not real. There's no way. I answered the problem backwards. I answered the problem backwards, dude. I answered the problem backwards.
Oh my god. You're not real. I thought I was gonna be so nice giving you this final question.
Oh my Jesus, dude. I thought I was being a little silly by like writing it out, and then like, I wonder what the problem is or what the answer is. And
You could say that was a bit.
no, and that's the thing. It's not a bit. It wasn't a bit. That was just me like doing a bit to get the question right, and then I got the question wrong because I didn't. Oh,
It
dude.
should honestly count as a fail for this challenge.
Oh my gosh. Okay, the answer is 3.
Yes.
Jeez, dude. Yeah, that is just an automatic fail, bro. Like, what the hell? So our total moon count.
A lot of moons.
Our total moon count for this challenge is going to be almost 100 more than what you get in the regular 80%. You get 90. I got 99 more than you get in a regular 80% run. Let's go.
Rob, we are off to Moon Kingdom, where you will be taking your final exam. Are you ready?
I'm as ready as I can ever be.
I will go 1 question at a time. If you choose to solve each question before moving on to the next or not, it's up to you. Question number 1. This is our arithmetic question. Evaluate this expression.
Answer is 36. Boom.
Here's number 2.
All right, next question. 13. 13's my answer.
This is the next question. This is your pre-algebra question. Solve for x.
My final answer is x equals 8 for question 3. That's also correct. We're 3 for 3.
Here's question number 4. Price of $80 is discounted by 25%, then increased by 10%.
Okay.
What is the final price?
So the final price ends up being $66. Okay, we're 4 for 4. We are
Question
4
5.
for 4.
Rectangle has a length of 3x and a width of x plus 2. If the perimeter is 52 units, find the area of the rectangle.
Area is 144 units squared.
Question number 6.
Guys, we are 5 for
4 red,
5.
5 blue, and 3 green marbles. 1 marble is drawn at random. What is the probability the marble is not blue?
So our final answer would be 7 over 12. I'm 6 for 6, man. I actually haven't gotten a single one of these wrong, and I know that for a fact.
Algebra 1, solve this system of equations.
So our final answer to this one is x equals 4, y equals 3.
Here's
I'm
question number
7 for 7. I just know for a fact I'm 7 for 7. I'm on a fucking roll right now with these questions. All right, algebra 2. Solve. So this is 100% right. I'm so fucking smart. I'm actually so proud of myself. The answer is x equals plus or minus 7. Holy shit, man. We are on a roll right now. I'm actually locked the fuck in for the final exam. Oh, you're an asshole for putting this in.
What does this graph represent?
It can only be C or D, and I'm gonna go with C. I think that's right. So we're 9 of 9.
All right, Rob, here's question number 10. It's our word problem.
Oh,
A number is
dude.
multiplied by 2, then 5 is subtracted, and the result is divided by 3. The final value is 7. What is the original number?
Well, the original number is 26. I think I went 10 for 10 on this.
Have your final answers. I'm going to cross-reference them with my answer sheet.
Come on. Come on, man.
Question number 1, you said 36. That is correct.
Boom, baby.
Question number 2, you said 13. That is correct.
Boom, baby.
Question 3, you said x is equal to 8. That is correct.
Boom.
Question 4, you said $66. That is correct.
Boom.
Question number 5, you said 144 square units. That is correct.
Boom. 5 for 5.
Question 6, you said 7 out of 12. That is correct.
Oh, 6 of 6.
Question 7, you said x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. That is correct.
Oh.
Question 8, you said x is plus or minus 7. That is incorrect.
No way. No way. No way.
You said C. That is correct. Question 10, you said 26. That is incorrect. You scored an 8 out of 10. I'm going to have to ask you to go get 2 moons, come back,
Ow.
and try the questions again.
How are those incorrect? Because those two, I literally plugged them back into the equation and it worked. I don't
So clearly did not.
see. I don't get that. I don't get that because I literally checked my work and plugged it back into the equation and it worked.
That equation has 2 solutions, and you did not provide me with the 2 correct solutions.
A liar. You know it.
Have you considered that you might be wrong? Here's question 8.
Let's go with that. X equals 7.
You want to revisit question 10?
Yes. My answer is 13 for 10.
Rob, you have scored a 9 out of 10.
Bro, what?
Your answer to question number 8 is still incorrect.
That doesn't
Graph
make
that.
any
Get another
sense.
moon
It's
come.
literally equaling up. Please explain to me how that doesn't work. I'm consulting with
X equals
chat.
7 is a correct solution. There is another solution that you are missing.
This is baloney. I don't like this. X equals -8. I don't fucking know.
That is incorrect. What are you saying?
And okay, we're done. We are done. X equals 7, X equals -2.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer, and I know I'm right. Get me out of here. Bro, I can be done with math percent. Oh my goodness. Holy dude. I'm ending this once and for all. I'm a dumbass. Oh my goodness, man. And still count the number of phases? I have to, or else I'm not gonna be able to jump all the way. I'm gonna forget how many times I have to jump for Bowser. Very important to count it. What if you forget? We've come such a long way, chat, over the past 3 days and 12 hours of this. We've really just come to get to know each other better, and we've gotten smarter. You know, we've even gotten better at Odyssey too at the same time. So you really knocking off a lot of boxes. I did it. I did it. It's pillar time. Easy peasy. And I'm sure you feel the same way too, General. Because there was probably moments where you thought I'd never get this done.
You assume that it's over.
I mean, there's no more moons to get. It's over. Oh my goodness. Sub 11. Not sub 11, sub 12. What am I saying?
27 minutes after the 11-hour mark, he hit sub 11.
I'm stupid. I mean, yeah, I am stupid. We got to see that. We got to see that over the past 12 hours. What a challenge run this was. Although there were moments that I got, like, frustrated, it was enjoyable.